Kakanun Menteri Jong Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasito din jong tayo kalaray bandirap pensiu ya ka khajana income tax jong baro ki All India Service Officers ki bakenthop ya ki I.A.S, I.P.S, I.F.S bat ki de ki bawan ban syakri ya ka Jylla nadu ka snem pisa tengka ka banwan bat kalaray ru ban penhiarno ya ka value added tax jong ka kiat na ka saupo na ka sispa syaka lai punyo point san na ka sispa bat kum juru ya ka lifting charge kum bajulong haswa jong ubnai jemang arajar arpo
Kajingelang jong kakunhun menteri kabaya kendo akan kesni kelai tai sani bah halor kecintruwa kebawan nagatnat latengka ke Jylla kebatruwa ban ajing mentoya bro ki All India Service Officer ki basyakri ha ke Jylla da kebaseu ke reimbursement ya ka khajna bagi seu syakatnat income tax katkum gene kejintruwa Sorkar kala menjur bagi officer kin sayu opat ke pisah na ke Sorkar Jylla ke belong ke taipusan na ke sispa na ka khajna bagi la seu syakatnat income tax Namar kenegarai la pentip bagi Sorkar Jylla kan haban pendut menta iwei poin sausan keluar tengkah ke sisnem ban siu ke pisah syakini officer kabalong katkum ke Income Tax Act jongkari kenegarai benerap siu no ke khajna income tax kan trikamru ke officer bagi nong tri riulum ke Jylla ki besyakri kita nak trikam ke Sorkar ke dan Syabar ke Jylla ki bangat ban siu ke khajna syak income tax La pentip bagi ni ginong triru ke Sorkar kenerap ban siu pat kendai pesan ke sispa na ke khajna bagi siu ha ke sisnem
All India service officers, they are subjected to pay income tax annually. And they are throughout the nation, throughout India. So I think we are the first state government who has taken the decision today. Those non-tribal who are not exempted from payment of income tax who serve and work in the state of Meghalaya, state government will reimburse the amount entitled by each one of them to pay to the income tax. State government will reimburse 95%. 95% of the total amount due to be paid to the income tax department will be reimbursed by the state government. Why we decided this? It's because we understand the senior officers, All India Service officers, coming down to our state of Meghalaya all the way from different parts of the country. And then because we really wanted to make sure that they also get some special incentive. So therefore the state government today is pleased to approve and henceforth 95% of their dues payable to income tax will be reimbursed by the state government. State government employees, again, working outside the state of Meghalaya, like in Meghalaya houses, because Meghalaya houses is its own and it is the office of the state government. Even for this sector, because these people, they are subjected again to income tax. Though they are tribals, but when they work outside the state, they are subjected to income tax. So again, the government has decided for our own tribal officers or employees who are bound to pay their income tax, government will again provide and extend reimbursement to all of them annually.
Nalor kini kirai ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala rai ru ban penhiar biang ya value added tax jongka kiat bat kawain hapok ke Jylla kaman longno naka sopo na kesispa syaka lai punyo poinsan na kesispa. Kini kirai kala mi na kejingata ya kejing terwa ke bawan na ketenat excise registration taxation bat stamp department. Syuk Sorkar kala rai ru ban kala biang kumba mensyua ya ka khajna ketmar ne ka lifting charge ka balapan kio ho bnai jemang ka snam arajar arpho kat kum karai jong ka snam arajar arpho sarkar ka lapan kio ka ne ka khajna na ka ar na ka sispa ka arpsan na ka sispa Nri metai ka nikarai lapan kelab yang na ka arpsan na ka sispa ka ar na ka sispa kumbalong haswa jong ujemang ka snam arajar arpho lapan te bagi Sorkar Jylla kan do nong prapo hado prapsan klur tengkah ka sisnam na ka jik penhiar ya ka ne ka khajna.
In the year 2020, I think the month of May, we raised the lifting charge from 2 rupees to 25%. So now again, that 25% is reverted back to 2 rupees as previously done prior to May 2020. When we are in a competitive world, be it the state, one state government, another state government. Right now, I'm telling you, in the budget, in the last budget session of Assam, they reduced it drastically, where ultimately the price of liquor has come down drastically in Assam, and the cost of difference is not less than 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. So ultimately, we are bound to reduce it, because if we don't reduce, then the turnover will be drastically reduced. So therefore, as I said to you, since we are in the field of competition, ultimately we are bound to reduce the cost, the taxes on liquor. That's what we calculated well. Ultimately, we came down to 37.5%.